Hello friend! Looking for a vending machine that won't take much space? This compact vending machine, no extra cabinets, just the essential. Don't let the size fool you. It can hold up to 270 bottles of water. It has a refrigeration system and it also has a 10-inch touchscreen. Still comes with a really clear price and image here. And right below here, it has the card reader for cashless payment. Let me show you how it works.
Please present your card or your mobile authorizing. Thank you.
Intrigued? Contact me and learn more info.